Today we're going to take a look at Incra's new CleanSweep, which is an under the router table dust and chip extraction unit. I've got it mounted here on an Incra router table, but it will actually fit any router table that you can put together basically. We'll come and have a closer look at it in a minute. I'm not going to show you the instructions on putting it together, because I found it so simple and the instructions were so clear that I put it together in under half an hour. So let's have a closer look. Okay, so here she is under the table. You can see my router table is not a standard Incra router table leg, so I took this from a Mastercut 1000, and I've got this handy little auxiliary switch unit here which I can power on and off without having to get underneath and turn the router on and off. This is an extension cable, and if we come up into the machine here, we can see this is the other end of the extension cable here. I followed the instructions in the instruction manual and did it this way. It's a very, very good idea, because I often take the router out of the router table to do over the table work. So with this clip here in place, that would be nearly impossible if I did that with the actual router cable itself. So I've got the auxiliary plug there. We've got the blast gate down the bottom. In the back, one fixed steel plate, nice and strong. And in the front, we've got the gate, a door here that we can open and close. The only modification or slight thing that I changed here is that I just used some silicone sealant to seal the two halves of the construction together. Okay, well, I'll just put this camera back and then we'll see whether it can fit a couple of routers. So, this behemoth here is a Makita 3612. As you can see, it's quite a big unit, so we'll see if this will fit first of all. So, absolutely no problems there, plenty of room to spare. Okay. But let's take out the real router of the moment. So, this is my AEG MF. What I've done here is I put the power cord into a plastic bag just to clean things up a little bit. So it's just a matter of holding this here, plugging the plug in, voila. And dropping it inside. So, tighten it in place. Perfect. Okay. So, in a moment we'll start doing a couple of tests.